So you landed a job with education reimbursement benefits. Congratulations! It's a big deal when employers allot funds for professional development, as it fosters personal and professional growth within their employees. If you're wondering how to use your new benefits, here are a few tips to enhance your resume. Get a certification. Depending on your job sector and scope, earning a certificate can be a lucrative opportunity. Our 2023 compensation report found that cleared workers with a certificate earned an average of over $16,000 more annually than those without one. Unlike a full degree program, certificate programs are often self-paced and primarily are held online. They also cost significantly less than a master's degree and give you an edge over the competition should you switch jobs or apply for a promotion. Earn a degree. Those with a bachelor's degree earn around $20,000 more yearly than those with a vocational degree or only some college credits. If you already hold a bachelor's degree, consider applying for a relevant master's degree program. Our annual compensation report shows that cleared workers with master's degrees earn over $21,000 more annually than bachelor's degree holders. Add a professional membership. If you already have a certificate or an advanced degree, consider signing up for professional memberships. Joining a group of like-minded professionals ensures you stay up to date on industry trends. If you're a lifelong learner and your employer doesn't offer education reimbursement, there are plenty of employers hiring positions with that benefit on our site.